Southern Africa is home to some of the most extraordinary bird species on the planet. These avian wonders come in all shapes, sizes and colors, each playing a vital role in their ecosystem. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of some unique birds found in this region, exploring their habitats, behaviors, and the remarkable traits that make them stand out. Let's begin with the Cape parrot, a vibrant green bird with a striking golden-orange forehead. This parrot is a forest dweller, often found in the misty woodlands of South Africa. While not domesticated, it thrives in small flocks, foraging for seeds, particularly from yellowwood trees. Cape parrots can live up to 30 years, but sadly, they are endangered due to habitat loss. A fun fact about them? They are incredibly picky eaters, favoring yellowwood seeds over almost anything else. Next is the Knysna Turaco, a bird of unparalleled beauty with its green body and crimson flight feathers. It's a secretive bird, often found hopping through dense forest canopies. Not domesticated, the Knysna Turaco is arboreal, rarely venturing to the ground. These birds are not edible and are known for their solitary or paired lifestyles. Living up to 20 years, they are not yet endangered, but their shrinking habitat is a growing concern. Did you know their green color comes from a unique pigment not found in many birds? That's a rare trait in the avian world. The African penguin, affectionately known as the jackass penguin due to its donkey-like bray, is a seabird that captures the hearts of many. Found along South Africa's coastlines, these aquatic birds form large colonies on rocky shores. They live up to 15 years and are highly social animals, often seen huddling together for warmth. Unfortunately, they are endangered due to overfishing and pollution. Here's something fascinating. Their pink facial patches act as a cooling mechanism, helping them regulate body temperature in the hot sun. Then we have the blue crane, South Africa's national bird, known for its elegance and long trailing tail feathers. These graceful creatures roam the grasslands and open savannas. They are not domesticated and live in pairs or small groups, performing intricate courtship dances that are a sight to behold. Living up to 20 years, the blue crane is classified as vulnerable due to habitat loss. A fun fact: their dance moves are not just for attracting mates, they're also a way to bond socially with other cranes. In the wetlands of southern Africa, the saddle-billed stork stands tall. This striking bird has a long black and white body, a vivid red and yellow beak, and long legs suited for wading through shallow water. These storks are solitary hunters feasting on fish, frogs and small reptiles. They can live for over 15 years, and while not endangered, they rely on healthy wetland ecosystems to survive. An interesting fact about them: both male and female storks take turns incubating their eggs, sharing the responsibilities of parenthood equally. The southern ground hornbill is another iconic bird, easily recognizable with its large black body, bright red facial patches, and booming calls. These land-dwelling birds are found in savannas and grasslands, often hunting in family groups. They have a long lifespan, reaching up to 50 years in some cases. Classified as vulnerable, they face threats from habitat destruction and persecution. A unique trait. Their calls can be heard over 3 miles away, making them one of the loudest birds in Africa. Among the colorful residents of southern Africa is the lilac-breasted roller. This small bird boasts a kaleidoscope of colors, including lilac, blue, and green. It's commonly found perched on treetops in savannas and woodlands, scanning for insects and small prey. Rollers are not domesticated, and they prefer living in pairs. They are not endangered, living around 10 years in the wild. A fun fact: during courtship, they perform dramatic aerial displays, complete with loops and dives. The ostrich, the largest bird in the world, is native to the open plains and deserts of southern Africa. This flightless bird is known for its incredible running speed, reaching up to 45 miles per hour. Ostriches live in groups and are often domesticated for their feathers, meat and eggs. They can live up to 40 years and are not endangered, thanks to conservation efforts. Did you know their eyes are larger than their brains? This helps them spot predators from far away. From wetlands to grasslands and forests, southern Africa's birds offer endless diversity and beauty. Each species plays a vital role in its ecosystem, whether by controlling insect populations, dispersing seeds, or simply inspiring awe with its striking appearance and behaviors. As we wrap up this incredible journey, It's clear that southern Africa's birds are more than just beautiful. They are essential to the region's natural balance. From the iconic blue crane to the colorful lilac-breasted roller, each bird has a story worth sharing. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed discovering these remarkable birds, don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow bird lovers, and subscribe for more incredible wildlife content.